Hi guys, today we'll talk about S&P 500. Well, last session S&P was up by 0.73%. It was really good if you see it related to the VIX. And in the 5 days S&P was not given any return. 1.30 is a negative return in S&P. But still after like there's a fall from 6,062, it's straight goes down to the 5,890 and there was a recovery from 19th December they recovered to be 1.79. There is a recovery of 105 points. Well, in a month, like there's no return, like after the fall is going straight to the up, is making a V-shaped recovery. So it looked like S&P will be like coming days, it will be in a positive momentum. Where in 6 months, the S&P is given return by 9.66, where 25.96 is YTD, and 1 year they give a return 25%. So how things look like if you see the sector-wise report, sectors is like the year is going to be end now. So first, we'll start with a 1 year return, which all the sectors given a good return. So if you see the majority of the return come from the communication services, and then IT are given around 39.5, around 40% return is really good. Where consumer is like given around 31, 32% return. Financial service again is 39, where 9.70, and S&P stock will give it a return is 25.65. Where the rest of the sectors are is a negative segment. So next year, what we have to do is like next year write down all the sectors, okay, and track down these other sectors. If they will be in a positive trend, the sector, this sector is going to give at least a good return. So the rest sector who are given a majority of the return might be next year. They will be performance same like 20-30% return would be possible or not. I don't know. But the sectors are not given a return below perform like from the S&P 500. Like they have real estate, then they have a healthcare, consumer, industry, and which are the stocks inside this sector. You should be track on the stocks and all. Like rest, we'll see the VIX was down. The VIX was down around 16.78, where Dow Jones is around 42,906 and S&P is 5,974, about to be reaching 6,000. Where dollar index is going up. So if you see the currency, like US dollar is all-time high currently. Where gold is like slightly there is a return in the gold. Rest the silver is not performed because when there is dollar index is very high, the gold and silver generally don't give any kind of good return in that. Where if you see most attractive stocks like the Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Walmart are the most attractive. Where the top gainers are Nvidia and Merck and then United Health. So if you see these both are come under the health sector. So keep trying your eyes in your health sector. But if there will be a growth in the health sector next year, probably from the January, keep eye on that. Where these other sectors are not given a return, where rest of the all the sectors are in a green zone where all are given a good return out of that. So now if you see the technical part, if you see here, it is already crossed the support line of the trend line, started with around August, and the cross currently at it have crossed the support line. So currently, if you see this line, this is a support line, and this is the blue line is a two. This is a yellow line. It is 50 days moving average. So it is having crossed 50 days moving average and the support line. So generally, when it happened, like there is a more chances that the market will go above from here, and I'm expecting at least market will be reaching around 6,000 in coming session, easily able to do that. Where if you see the VIX, if you see the RSI, even RSI is going up, and this is the average RSI at 56. So more of a chance it will go to intersect here and go above that. So technically, I can see that if you see this is a V-shaped recovery. Already it happened here, and already it happened here, already it happened here. So whenever if you able to see one, two, three, four times it happened, and whenever this kind of thing happen, market again make a new there is a new they touch around a new high. So unless and until if the market need to cross 16,100, they have to intersect this line and go beyond that, go uptrend. If you able to see VIX, what is happening in the VIX and what is stating that. So if you see VIX is still is from reach to around 27 is straightway falling from 16, from 27 it has been reached to 16, and here already it was momentum of this line goes straight up. There was a fall in the market, again going come back and about to intersect all the moving average of 50, 100 and 200 moving average. So more of a chance that VIX is going to at least going to cross 15.40, and market will be in an uptrend. If you see the RSI of the VIX, again it is going to crossing the going below the 50 and about to cross its average RSI. So these are indication that market is going to make a new high in coming session. So all the best if you're investing here. It's a good time you to should book profit and enjoy the new high in the market, and all the best for your investing. And this is New Year, and tomorrow the Christmas. So happy Christmas, everybody, all my viewers who is watching, and all the best for your investment. Anything you can let me know. Thank you for your time. Thank you.